Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, can you transfer money from Ps4 account to another account? And the answer is yes and no. Yes you can, but no, it's not a direct process. You see, transferring funds between Ps4, that is PlayStation 4 accounts, is not directly possible for wallet balances. Sony doesn't allow direct transfers of wallet balances between Ps4 accounts. So let me give you alternative options. 1. Purchase gift cards. You can purchase PlayStation Store gift cards with your wallet balance and then gift them to another person. You can also use your wallet balance to purchase games like DLC or subscriptions and then gift those items to another account if possible. What you need to consider is account restrictions and gift card terms, so understand them. If you need to share funds or items between Ps4 accounts, exploring alternative options like gift cards or direct purchases might be the best approach. Thank you.